Welcome to Trello. The version you're seeing right now is the desktop version. However, you can always pull up Trello on your phone. You should have already downloaded the app. I think they are both awesome to use. I personally love Trello. It helps me stay super organized, and I also think it's going to be a great way for us to communicate with each other. So I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of Trello, and then I will dive deeper into Trello in a later session. So the first thing that I wanted to go over was just the different lists that I set up for your Trello board. So you'll see the different categories. This first one here is this week to do. Those are all the items that I expect you to do on a weekly basis. And then from there, we have the ordering weeks. So these are all the different cards and items that I expect you to do for an ordering week, and then the non-ordering week. This list right here is any tasks that I will need from you throughout the year. Though these tasks do not need to be done until they are pulled over to your This Week To Do board, which I will show you how to do so. And then this is going to be all where you'll be pulling all the tasks that are done. So once you complete a project, you can pull it over to done. And then this is just some helpful documents for you to refer back to. So if I wanted to assign a task for you for the week, I will simply just grab a card and I will move it over to this week. So we'll move both of these cards over here. And then I'm just going to explain these to you real quick. So you'll see with this card here, it says to put up a window display. And then you'll see there's a date right here where it says January 31st. What that means is I need this done by January 31st. So you can click on the card and you'll see I have a description right here just saying that all the items that are upstairs in the break room and how you can complete the window display. I also said that if I'm missing any items or if you need any further assistance to let me know. So let's just say you go up in the break room and you realize that you don't have everything you need. You're missing twine or string. You can go ahead and do the @ sign, and then you're going to type in Kelsey, and that is going to give me a notification. So let's just say that you say, I am out of string. I will get a notification then after you hit save, letting me know that you're out of string and that you're unable to complete that project. Once you're done, you can go ahead and hit the check button, and that will let me know that you completed that project. You can also then move the card over to tasks that are done. From there, let's look at this card here, which says I need you to set up the front desk for Valentine's Day. And you'll see there's this little paperclip sign, which means there's an attachment with that. So if you click on that card, you'll see I'm giving you a description here of some products that you can put up the front desk, as well as a sign that I'd like printed and put at the front desk. That's exactly what this attachment is the sign. So you can click on that, and that's going to pull up the Valentine's Day sign that I would like you to print out and then put at the retail desk. So once you've completed that, you can go ahead and move that card over as well. So we'll go ahead and move that to done. From there, just some other really cool things with Trello. If you need to create a card yourself, it's just as simple as doing the add button there, and let's just say it is charge client accounts, just because you need to remind yourself to do so. And you can hit enter, and that's how you create a card. Super simple. Every week, I'm going to have you do the inventory bin. So once you click on that card, you'll see that I need it done every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So when you complete it on Monday, you'll come in here, and you're just going to check that box. On Wednesday, after you complete it, check it. And same with Friday. And I'll get a notification for all of those letting me know that you did complete the inventory bin that week. Other than that, I just think one really good thing about Trello is it's just a great way to store all your documents. So you'll see over here, I have helpful documents. If you need to charge client accounts one day and you forget what to charge each staff member for a product, you can easily go here, pull up that document, and it will tell you exactly what to charge them. I hope you like Trello as much as me, and we will just dive a little deeper with each category a little later on.